experience around the ship.
Theater.
Thank you for your understanding.
Amber Palace. Alright, so now we're up on deck 7. 8 are staterooms. So again, right here we are getting 7, 8, 9 is Lido. Yeah. So no, that's the smoking section right here.
Yeah, we were just telling me.
So yeah, your smoking section is right here. It's strong too.
I'm going straight through, right?
Yeah. He going to the smoking side.
Hey, Rico! And I would like to know, where are my first-time cruisers? Let me show you how we do it here at Carnival. Where are my repeater cruisers? Welcome back home, everybody. And now, if you're ready to win big in the casino, relax in the spa. Enjoy beautiful sunsets at sea and going to Carnival's exclusive destination, Celebration Key! It's time to say bye-bye for Canaveral. Hello fun with an amazing Sailaway. So everybody, come and join your entertainment team, your bus squad, your camp counselors, because it's time to let loose. It's time to have fun. DJ, let's warm up with a classy. What you got for us? Everybody come on down. It's time to have fun. No more cooking. No more cleaning. It's all fun. Having fun. Here we go. To the right. To the left. Take it back. Now get. Now get. Here we go. Keep it going. Keep it going. DJ, keep it fun. But you're the best pro DJ for a reason.
Yellow umbrellas, smoking only.
Yeah, they raised it from 250 to 500 now. There we go. What up, though? What up, though?
Yeah, I'll take a picture of it down there.
Yep, that would be a good one.
You got the picture behind you.
There they go, talking about muscle.
Basketball.
Go around the blue.
And we need everyone to check in at their bus stations.
I think this is
And start your classification. And right after checking in at your bus station, instead of just ready, have fun and make your way down to the Canaveral, the main show lounge, which is located.
Yeah, we'll go up, like with some footage, and then we'll go over to Randy.
The Shop Beat Explorer Show, starting in just 15 minutes time, where your Carnival Insider will give you the lowdown on all the onboard and port activities you don't want to miss. If you're there, you could even win short excursions or more great prizes. We will see you in 15 minutes time.
It's pickleball.
One side basketball.
We got one side is basketball and the other side is pickleball. Pickleball, anybody? Like, I don't know how to play it. Like,
This is the first time I've seen pickleball on the shit. Tennis, basically. I played it one time.
okay, ping pong. Botswana lost.
You're perfect in disguise. I never seen another girl where they make me feel the way that you make me do. You be like say when I'm around you, girl, you just do me voodoo. You put me for that kind of cruise, another girl, no people put me too. I never put me too. I'm a little, I'm in love with the way that you move, and nobody be like energy. Captivating, captivating, yeah. Do me well, no. Look into my eyes. This feeling that I'm feeling, me have to know what I do me. Mystical, not regular. The kind of girl I want to make my wife. She have to know, baby, see, hold me down now. See, never let go. Cause your body give me energy. Sweet past Menalin. Yeah. Sweet past Menalin. I'm you're perfect in disguise. I never seen another girl where they make me feel the way that you make me do. You be like say when I'm around you, girl, you just do me voodoo. You put me for that kind of cruise, another girl, no people put me too. I never put me too. I'm a little, I'm in love with the way that you move, and nobody be like energy. Captivating, yeah. You do me things, do me well, no. She have to give me green light when I'm feeling blue. She have to make me feel right. After this night, she got no say about my sweet guy. Blue eyes, you too fine, you kill a man. Got to kiss time just to make you mine. Put it down all night till they bust my mind. Ting along, like it the way you shake on. Ting along, now you do make I did not your door. Ting love you when you turn up your nana. Daddy, your nana. I'm you're perfect in disguise. I never seen another girl where they make me feel the way that you make me do. You be feel like say when I'm around you, girl, you just do me voodoo. You put me for that kind cruise, another girl, no you put me to. I never put me to. I'm a nature, I'm in love. With the way that you move, on nobody be like energy. Captivating, yeah. You do me things, do me well, no.
Oh, you at the front of the ship now? Now, when this thing moving, boy, it's wind. I'm talking about some wind, bro. All right, room tour, 7420.
Welcome.
All right, this is room 7420. We are on level 7. We got the basic mattress put together. Nothing special. That's Keisha. That's Tawana's sister. If you don't know, that's her husband. Ramon. There's Tawana in there somewhere. There is, we got the basic TV. We got the 2 free water bottles, of course. What's your favorite snacks? Comment down below. Yes, we do the ducks. We have the small ones because this is a small selling, so we're gonna be giving out these. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Big ones are on the bigger cruises, like 4 or 5 days. We got a basic bathroom. Let's see. That was the door. That wasn't me, y'all. I promise you. See, that's the door. All right, so you got your basic shower, toiletry. Do not throw things down there. Look at this. That's new. Basic stuff again. Basic stuff again. Hey, look. Last time y'all saw me, I was 215. I'm down to 205. 6 feet. Shower space. Here we go. As y'all can see, there's the space. I do have room to move around. Water. Y'all, please, before y'all put y'all kids in the shower, read this and pay attention, because this water does get hot. Your own shower gel, shampoo. Again, that was the door. I didn't want y'all to think that was me. Your emergency notifications for passengers. You have it all right here. For those that don't go to mustard, go to your dang on mustard. I said dang on. So this will be Tawana's closet whenever her suitcase gets here. Mine has already gotten here. Of course, we have our 2 life jackets. Tawana, do you want to demonstrate on how to put on a life jacket?
No thanks.
Until things happen. And then we have a 3rd closet. So, back with these. Y'all make sure y'all know how to put these on. Because if y'all don't know how to put these on, and say stuff do happen, you know, just say it does happen. Pay attention to your mustard. See it? Remember, this right here goes around you. Grab that for me. Take it. Clasp it. Right here in the front.
It's safer if you have 2 hands. Let me just work that out for you.
Thanks, Keisha. There you go. Have your whistle, your broom, and you have your light beacon.
Or just grab that table there and float.
So, don't do that. Don't do that. But yeah, I notice a lot of folks don't do that, don't actually show you how to do it. Some folks don't even know how to do it. They sit there and mustard and say they know how to do it. Until it happens. Then you panic. But that's not what we're talking about here. Tawana, you know how to do it? So, we have 2. One for me, my top part, and one for my lower part. I'm going to. But anyway, that's been a tour of the room. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and we are out. Boom.
Babu zetu walitusimulia hadithi zao kwenye jana.